Hello dear guys, today I draw a Christmas tree very easily. Let's go start the video. Guys, first draw a star.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Now draw inverse V shape. Draw many V's. Draw a line. Now draw many V. Then connect the line. Again guys, draw a line, draw many V, and connect the line. Same process guys, draw another line, draw many V's, and then connect the line. Guys, now draw one line, draw another line, and draw a base line. Now draw zigzag line. Guys, now draw two circle, draw three circle. Now draw four circle, and now draw five circle. Guys, if you love this Christmas tree, please like, comment, share this video. You can also hype this video. You can also send me super chat, super thanks. So dear guys, thanks for watching our video. Please like, comment, share this video. You can also comment this video. Who are watching this video from Facebook page, please follow the Facebook page and share this video. Bye bye.